Look what the postman just brought. A box. A box from an Optica corporate member. A box from Cornerstone, the silicon photonics and silicon nitride foundry service from Southampton with their own deep UV service. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, to Jose, I hope this makes you smile. Well, so far a bag didn't make me smile, so let's see what else is in the box. Oh, there's a few interesting things here. Something to open beer bottles. Well, you guys know I don't drink, right? What else? Pens, very useful to write. And sweets, very good. Let's see what else is in the box. We do have interesting flyers from their partner, Luceda. Hello guys from Luceda, it's great to have you around. And of course, their own service portfolio. Very interesting as well. I'm sure you can all find it in the website. And let's see what else is in the box. This looks interesting. Let me open it. This looks very, very interesting. It looks like a wafer. I didn't submit to the MPW service. I didn't make the tape out deadline. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's the first time that my face is manufactured at wafer level on an 8-inch silicon wafer. I have no words to describe my level of appreciation. Thank you very much. Definitely made me smile. Cornerstone, thank you very much for being an Optica member. Thank you, Professor Graham Reed and all your amazing team at Southampton for this amazing present. Thank you for this. And also thank you, Graham, for inventing silicon photonics. So what does it mean having Cornerstone as an Optica member? It means that I can now offer the MPW services that they provide in silicon photonics and silicon nitride to all the 24,000 Optica members. Let's have a look at their website, shall we? Well, here at their website, we can see that they provide an MPW schedule with their passive and active MPW platforms on both silicon nitride and silicon photonics, with runs that include germanium on silicon as well as 500 nanometer SOI platform. You have here all the schedule to apply for the tape out. Never be late for a tape out deadline. I've been there. Also very interesting is that you can also download the design rules in many software platforms, and here we have the design rules for Luceda's software platform. Thank you, Luceda, for being a corporate member. And last but definitely not least, they also provide an affordable deep UV service for 8-inch substrates. Thank you very much, Cornerstone, for being part of this global industry network that Optica is becoming. And thank you all the other corporate members for keeping finding ways to work together. Until the next time, Jose Pozo, now at wafer level.